It's time for another Star Wars inspired hair tutorial. My name is Katie and you can follow me at Roheryn Design on Instagram as well. So most Star Wars hairstyles are very sleek and very precise, and that is what I'm going for with precision in most of this hairstyle. If you remember, I did this hairstyle before on curly hair and it gives it a more looser, relaxed feel, a little bit more romantic, but it's not as sleek as you would expect in a Star Wars hair tutorial. So for this, my hair is straight. We're going to be starting with the top sectioned off just like this, and I am doing a fishtail braid. So you can see I'm basically holding two strands and borrowing one piece from the outer side of one strand and trading it over to the other side, and then repeating the process back and forth, back and forth. I'm starting with bigger strands up at the top, and we'll be moving to finer, more precise sections at the bottom. Now you can get very precise with this part and be very careful and tug only on one piece at a time. I'm going a little bit more loose and lived in with the top here to show you what this would look like as an everyday look, because not everybody has the time to stand in the mirror and tug on each strand separately and keep them separated like that. But you can if you so desire. So now that I'm about 3 to 4 inches down, I'm going to make my strands that I'm tossing back and forth a little bit smaller. So now I'm continuing on down, taking from one side, trading it to the other, and back and forth, back and forth. Every time I go down about a few inches, I'm going to start pulling them apart. What I want is the most volume up at the top and the least volume down at the bottom. So that gives that good triangle shape that you expect to see for fishtail braids. Now the longer your hair is, the more you're going to get that Princess Leia type look. Both she and Padme had incredibly long hair. You can use water or any product that you like on the sides here if you have any flyaways to help pull all your hair together and give it a sleeker look. Now I'm pulling it together at the base and starting to twist. If you're familiar with a banana bun, this is an upside down banana bun. So very similar to what you would do for a French twist, except I'm not incorporating all the hair into the twist. I'm continuing on up, and I'm twisting all of the hair. I very much apologize that my hair is not fully in the screen at the top here, but I can explain very easily what I'm doing. I'm continuing to twist the hair, and I'm just wrapping it around at the top into a Cinnabon type shaped bun, and you'll be able to see what that looks like in just a moment. It's very easy, self-explanatory. So I'm coiling it up at the top of my head, securing with bobby pins, and you can see it right there. Now my fishtail is going to cascade off to the side here. If you'd like to position it in a way to give you more volume in the front, or if it's just tugging from one side to the other in a way that you don't like, put in a bobby pin and secure it down exactly in the position that you would like to see it be in. And that is the finished product. Very nice and sleek in the back, and then you've got that fishtail braid cascading over the side. This look is very reminiscent of Princess Leia, I think especially her slave girl look, and it's beautiful. It's just unique enough to give that perfect visual interest that you're looking for. So this is not your typical hairstyle, and yet it's incorporating a lot of typical hairstyle elements. If you enjoyed this, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you again so much for watching, and have a wonderful week.